Hey sweetheart subscribers, welcome back to my channel. GL Manwa, on a leash. Chapter 39. To think I would ever see this woman looking so weak. You huff can. Let go now. Huh, like she's about to collapse right away. Huh, hey, get a grip. Slump. Huh. What's wrong? Tell me if something's wrong. Anything. My head's ringing. Your condition, S. Slide FCK. Her back is drenched. How much cold sweat did she let out? That her coat is drenched. Her speech is slow and she can't control her body properly. No way. Damn, her body is hardening rapidly because she's sweating. Hold up, you can't sleep now. Get a grip, let's take off your clothes for now. It's all drenched. Drag. Get me. In front of the fire. We're already in front of the fire. You are so wet that I would have to throw you into the fire to dry you up. My body. I can move. Droop. Slide. Forget it, I'll do everything, so you just have to stay still. I can. You, what? What are you doing? Press. What else? Stripping you down, of course. There's no need to take off my shirt. There's nothing good about wearing wet clothes. Your body will dry up if you take off your clothes and get in front of the fire while laying on my fur. Why are you treating like a child? You cheeky dog. If you don't take your hand away this instant, I want tea. What can you even do to me when you can't even control your body properly due to the cold? I'm helping you. Just shut your mouth and stop struggling. It's hard to undress you. Your eyes can kill, really. I told you, didn't I? If you want to beat me up, get your body to recover first. Lift up your legs. Lift. She is totally going to boss me around when she gets better. I couldn't stop undressing her, even while knowing that there would be retaliation. Even though just getting close to the fire might have been enough, with my anxiety and nervousness along with defiance creeping up from below, I ended up holding that woman in my arms. Fortunately, her temperature seems to be going up a little. She's still sweating non-stop. Damn, will it be okay for her temperature to change so frequently? She's breathing a little easier than before. She still can't calm down. Huff. Oh, huff cold. What did you say? What? Do you need anything? How hard was her past that she became like this just by bringing it up? I am dizzy. And it's cold. Cuddle. Be patient. It'll get warmer soon. The fact that she was so tormented she wanted to die should have said it all. You are nothing more than new alpha tool to soothe the pain that I feel for being alive. So that's why she's been living so carelessly. Because she has nothing to lose. I wonder if she's having a hard time because she's still brooding over it. Why? Why are you suddenly? I shouldn't have pried into your past. What are you talking? This is a problem I caused, so I'll fix it. Slide. What? On. Empty your head. Don't think about anything. If it's hard for you, I'll help. You don't need to do this. Don't assume things. This is not mere sympathy. Take it as my responsibility for giving you such a hard time. That's, as you said, I'll soothe your pain. Are you saying that all the mine entrances around here are blocked? Yes, I have forwarded a rescue operation request to the 4th Battalion, which is now stationed in the opposite side of the mine. Damn, for her to be trapped in the mine with a reptile officer. Maybe she got involved in the accident while having a rendezvous with Red. We should make a dating ban for the entire company. Huff. Anyway, are those guys still in the middle of a war of nerves? Yes, they're arguing over who's going to lead the rescue operation, the reptiles or mammalians. Gosh, it looks fierce already. I'm not ignoring your opinion. You might not know, but a mine like that is dangerous for US reptiles. Isn't it a given for US reptiles to be in charge of the operation so we can rescue our officers swiftly? Even if she's just a soldier, a mammalian is also inside. Captain Maximilian, I find it very regrettable that you won't do the operation with US if you're led. You are talking as if we're taking you for granted. You know that's not what I mean. So you know what? Okay, we'll let you lead. In exchange, I should be part of the rescue team. Otherwise, this boring debate will go on. Somehow, both Red and that medical captain are. They have some extreme friends, don't you think? Sigh, I just hope those two can be rescued safely soon. I hope nothing happens. Slow down. Get a hold of yourself. I should just warm up and put her to sleep. No more than this. Ha, damn it. Wait, brush. What I told you to empty your mind. Ha, it is cold. Skin. Cold. Are you getting chilly from your back? Wanna get on top of me? No, your skin, rather than fur. Your bare skin is warmer. Okay, flutter, if you're so desire. Bite. It hurts. She's not even listening. Ha, be gentle. I've never seen this fool get this excited except for the first time we had sex. What are you doing? Why, stare. I can't do it, it's dirty. What? You are saying I'm dirty? Huh, I'm talking about my hand. What? Wait. Shut up. When did she become so skilled at this? Enough. Let me down. Kick. Seriously. You seem to like being licked below. Why are you now telling me that now? What? What are you saying? Damn it. I can't muster my strength. Because of the position. I don't know if it's because we're in a situation and place different from usual. Bite. Or because that fool is clinging onto me so stubbornly. Or perhaps my body simply becomes more sensitive to the stimulation. Open. You awake? I thought you wouldn't. Sleep. What are you doing? What else? Dressing you up, obviously. Dress me up. Yeah, I dried up your clothes that were drenched in sweat in front of the fire while you were sleeping. I don't know how much time has passed, but we've been in this mine for quite some time. We need to get out soon. Don't fuss over me dressing you up and just lie down quietly. It's been a long time since I've seen someone so unpredictable. She speaks crudely, but she doesn't push me away and clings to me instead. It's like something got released ever since we started having sex. My body then won't follow my will, as if I got possessed. Seriously, I can't figure her out. Okay, let's get going now. You don't have the strength, so get on my back for now. I don't understand why you're like this. What? Being concerned about someone like me won't bring any good to you. It'll just tire you out. What do you want with Etame? I know, right? I don't know why you or I ended up like this. Lift, you or me. You are also overly concerned about me, and I don't really know why. Me being concerned about you is, let's not pretend that you didn't come to me all annoyed to check on my wound whenever I get just a small injury. How can anyone not be concerned when they see your miserable actions? I must look very pathetic. Well, I did do something that would make you sympathize with me. Gosh, don't think that way again. Just think that it's because I feel bad. If you have the strength to talk rubbish, just lift this torch. You'll need to hold it so I can walk. Feel bad, you can still feel something. Like that after everything I put you through. We both couldn't prey on each other all this time, but what can I do? Since we've been stuck with each other like this, it just happened. You really are bad at talking, doggy. What? You still annoy me even after I say nice things to you. Stupid and completely stubborn. You must have been a menace to your family and everyone around you. Hey, you are also stubborn, you know. And fine, I won't think about wanting to die. What? I won't know until the war is over though. It's not as if we're going to stick together forever. But at least as long as I'm with you, I won't try to get myself killed. I'm not sure about after that. But this is the best I can do for now. Grip. Okay. Oh, I smell something. It's the smell of outside air. Outside. Already. I think we'll be out as soon as we get through this passage. That's a relief. Wait, I hear something. Noise. Do you hear a noise from outside? No, it's much closer. Here, some noise is coming out from nearby. It's like the sound of mining. What are you talking about? This is an abandoned mine. There's no one here but us. No, I really heard it. Aren't you mistaking it for something like a mole? Or a rat? Shush. Here, right below here. You put your ear on it and listen to. What kind of situation is this? I don't know what the Volks are planning, but they're just barring themselves in and defending their fort with no sign of coming out. Days without a battle should just be a day or two. If nothing happens for few weeks, we'll gradually become anxious. There's nothing good about the rear reserve forces being concerned about the frontline situation. Do you know that the atmosphere in the company is not so good right now? I'm worried that we'll be helpless if a sudden attack like last time happens again. Tell me what you know. Then I'll be able to provide comfort to the troop members in my own way. To be honest, I don't know anything either. The superiors also feel frustrated because they can't understand the enemy's movements. Even if I want to take an aerial photo by force, I can't take any because of the tight security. Regardless of their plans, reinforcements will come from the rear to give US some supplies. It'll be possible for US to break through the front to some extent from then on. So don't worry too much. We should do what we need to do right now. Ruffle, but we won't get defeated like that time again. Our 2nd Division is the Mammalians' best infantry division. Take pride in it. It's possible that the Fok troops knew that we must not be underestimated, that they're being obsessively focused on defense, so just in case, watch out for the sky. Interesting. There was no vertical shaft in this area on the map. What should we do? I think we should go down and check the situation. What do you think? I agree. Do you know how deep we're going down right now? I'm not sure if the map I saw is right. The horizontal shaft we walked on was 200 meters deep. So this vertical shaft is probably going down to the very bottom of the mine, maybe 300 to 400 meters deep. Damn, just what the hell is down there? I have some ideas, but we can only be sure once we get down. What is this? The air is strange. Is it gas? But there's no smell. These guys show you some pretty crude methods. What? Is something wrong? No, it's trivial for both of us. I think there's a bigger problem down there. We have to put the fire out if we don't want to die. Both of us. Rush. Wait, if you suddenly put out the fire. Slip. Damn it. Clang. What a mess, really. Sorry, are you okay? Clang. I'm okay, so lower your voice. No, why did you put out the fire? I made the wrong step because I suddenly couldn't see what's below. Did your nose suddenly get clogged? Why can't you smell this? You should have noticed it before I did. What are you talking? Clang. You've gotten used to the dark now, haven't you? Look over there, turn. You might like fireworks, but I don't. All of these explosives. Damn, those bastards collected so many explosives inside the mine. With this amount, clang, are they planning to bury our entire camp underground? Isn't that obvious? No wonder they've been quiet these days. Their plan is probably to wait until the reinforcements come and destroy us all at once. FCK, I won't let them off. In front there are 3. I'm so freaking tired. Just how long must we stay inside this dirty soil? Clang, we just have to be patient. It's too late a judgment on those heretics, after all. Oh, of course the plan itself isn't bad, but I don't like the fact that we have to stand on guard on the ground like this. Clang. That's true. Those idiots don't know about the existence of this tunnel anyway, so it should have been enough to just have the workers. What was that? Who's there? I think all the light bulbs in the aisle are broken. Why so suddenly? Damn it. I don't want to stay here any longer. We should call a worker to change the light bulbs. Tremble. Kugha. Hey, what is this? Swing. Damn, it's an enemy. Bash. Hans. How did these bastards find out? Have you been shadily digging a tunnel while saying that you're the apostles of heaven? Cough. Choke. If you hate being on the ground so much, I'll send you straight to heaven. Press. Dizzy. Cough. How dare this son of a BTCH. Die, you devil, go. Red, red, what can you protect when you've gotten so weak? Ugh, open, rise, are you awake? What is this? It's a gas mask. You were poisoned by the tiny amount of poison gas that leaked out. Fortunately, it was possible to neutralize, so I did it. Don't worry, poison, gas, but the smell, it's a colorless and odorless poison. I know a Bochin Silver Krilla who uses this kind of poison. Wait, how about you? Are you okay? I'm Omicron K rather than that, it's surprising. I thought you'd be fine too. Since I bit you that time and you survived. I thought you were immune. What? Wait, by biting you mean that time in that trench. Russell, that's spring. Calm down. Those guys are not soldiers, but civilians. Civilians? Yeah, they're just ordinary workers hired to do miscellaneous things here. You don't see many bird beast men who are not birds of prey among the FOC troops, right? Yeah, I don't often see them. Silver Cryler, who came here this time, has no military engineers and just substitutes everything with ordinary workers. They think it's a disgrace for a soldier to do anything other than combat. Oh, ever since the emergence of a crazy fanatic who has an idea from the Middle Ages that common bird beast men should serve the bird of prey beastmen. Treating workers like slaves like this has gotten worse. Fedivolk is a garbage country with extreme discrimination even among their fellow citizens. Could that crazy fanatic be a stalker? Turn. How did you? Phew. Yeah, that's right. I have to bear having a fanatic who always tries to screw me over, chasing me around against my wishes. Usually, I can't stay in one place for too long because of this. Usually. On the contrary, that's good. If they've been screwing you over for a long time, then you can just screw them over well this time. Hi guys, thank you so much for supporting me, and please like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel, and please subscribe guys. Bye.